Alright, what's up YouTube? So I got a brand new channel for you guys here, and it's called Daily PC Deals. And the reason why I created this channel was basically, I know a lot of us right now are searching for new GPUs, video cards, new CPUs, desktops, any type of PC related accessories like HD TVs, great deals on everything. So as I am searching day by day on a daily basis, I wanted to bring the best offers that I come across to you guys, so I could spread the love here a little bit and kind of make a community. This way we could share best deals with each other and all that stuff. So now, I did want to say, now, the new video cards, both on AMD and NVIDIA, are ridiculously hard to find a la carte right now, basically by themselves. So, what I do is a daily search. I have alerts on certain programs to scan the internet for me. And that's what I said. I'm going to bring you basically what I could find on a daily basis. So, for today's daily deal, we have a 3080 GeForce RTX 3080 available here in this PC build. This is a Omen out of HP. It's $19.99, but you could get 10% off if you use this code here, 10 Holiday Gamer 2020. That will bring the price down to $17.99, and not a bad deal considering this is the only way to get a 3080 or 3090 right now. If you just try to buy a 3080 or 3090 on its own, it's at least $1,000 right now, but more. So let's just go over the specs real quick. And so Windows 10. Now you have two options here, but the default option it comes with is the i7 processor. With liquid cooling, RGB liquid cooling, so that's cool. And the 3080 and 16 gigs of memory, so that looks like that's the DDR4 memory. And what else? Where's the storage? So you got a 512 gigabyte. You could probably update it if you wanted to. So I mean, you know, obviously not top of the line specs, but if you're really just trying to get the 3080 right now, this will come 3080, and you know, for $1,800 with the discount and the i7 processor and the memory, the hard drive. At least you're getting some good parts, decent parts for that $1,800 price tag. Nothing today on the 3060 and the 3090 or the 3070. So I'll continue to search. Now, what we do also have is some good HD TV deals I wanted to show you guys today. So, I mean, they're getting cheaper and cheaper by the day. So I wanted to show you guys here. So this is a 65-inch 4K UHD TV at Best Buy. Right now it's $100 off. Normally $500. $400, guys. $399 for a 65-inch 4K UHD TV. There's a 70-inch here. This is at Walmart. So for $48 more, an extra 5 inches. That's $448 for a 70-inch 4K TV. And then if you wanted to go, I guess, a little bit higher quality here, this is Quantum SmartCast Smart TV, 65-inch for $648. That's at Walmart also. So those are the daily deals of the day, guys. Imagine pairing $400 here Got a 65-inch 4K TV. You can pair that with this PC here for $1,800. For $2,200, get a brand new rig with a 4K monitor, 65 inches. Would make a great gaming machine. So I have my alerts, like I said, turned on, and we're going to be doing these daily deals also on AMD, the 6000 series, if I could find anything with that. So if you guys enjoy me bringing the deals to you, make sure you are joining the channel, subscribing. It's a brand new channel, so let's hope to grow this channel. I appreciate all the likes and subscribes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.